paper doll? Well, you know that you can print a paper doll like this one and cut out her clothes with the scissors like I've done here with the skirt, and here's the t-shirt, and you can color these and put them on the doll. Así que se puede imprimir la muñeca de papel, cortar con la ayuda de mamá y papá y poner la ropa. Pero hoy vamos a hacer otra cosa. Vamos a hacer nuestra propia muñeca de papel. So, what do we need? We need a pencil, a scissors, some normal paper. Se puede reciclar, como estoy haciendo yo. You can recycle. And some baking paper. So, first we're going to draw our doll. Vamos a intentar hacer la muñeca juntos. Si se puede, con mamá o papá, y si no, intentar vosotros. So, take your pencil and draw a nice circle. And then the neck and the shoulders and the arms and the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. And back to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. And back up. Then the body. And then the legs. And the feet. So straight down on the foot and back up. And there's the other one, the foot, and back up. Now you can make a boy or a girl. So you put the hair like you like. I think I'll make some nice hair like Dora. See? Here we go. And a nice smile. 2 eyes. 1, 2, and a nose. We can color a little. And then the shoes. We can make maybe some nice purple boots like this. Just put them like that. And the other one. Here comes the exciting bit. And I'm going to give her some nice orange tights. There we go. There we go. And we'll color as well her body, her hands, nice pink color. She's not perfect, doesn't matter. And here comes the exciting part of making your own paper doll, right? So we get some baking powder, right? And we put it over like this. And we're going to just make, actually for our doll, a nice dress. And we can make other clothes too. Maybe we can make a skirt with a nice t-shirt. There we go. We already have 2 outfits there. Just join it with that. And the important thing is to put this, right? This and this, so you can actually fix it on your doll. This and this. This and this on the skirt. This and this. Okay, so there are her clothes. Now we should cut out our doll. We do this quite quickly. And cutting is very difficult for small people. Cortar ya puede costar a los más pequeños. Pero eso está mamá, papá, hermana mayor, la pequeña. Puede ayudar con lo que es cortar. So you can get somebody to help you. Here you can see I'm cutting really quickly here, but this is usually, you know, it usually takes a long time to cut out a good doll. There we go. There she is. Okay. She's her foot. And now the other foot. The hard bit. Cutting it out without breaking it, right? Sin romper a la muñeca. Pero a veces pasa. Alguien corta y rompe algo. ¿Sabes lo que hacemos? Podemos pegarlo, un poco de sello o pegamento. So we can fix the doll. We can repair the doll if we need to. Nearly there now. Okay, and cut her out there with big shoulders. Okay. All right, now, and finally, bring that out of the way. And cut her hair a little bit more. And now the big thing, we have to cut between there, between the two legs. This is not a doll. And there she is. That's our doll, like, ready to dress, okay? And now let's just cut out this dress. Washing very quickly again. Más difícil cortar ese papel porque es más finito. So it's more difficult to cut. This is her dress. We haven't even decorated the dress yet. So, here we go. And you can make lots and lots of clothes for your dolls. You can make shorts, or trousers, or hats, or scarves, or shoes. Lots and lots of things for your doll. Very important actually to give a doll a name. Que nombrar a tu muñeca, si no, pues mal. Pobre no tener nombre. So, we're nearly finished the dress now. Difficult. We don't want to break it, so to be careful. See, cutting around. These little tags are the thing to remember to do. Don't forget to do your tags, because if you don't do the tags, you can't put the clothes on the doll. Here we go. It's a nice kind of frilly bit at the end here. Kind of hard to cut this one out. There we go. Nearly finished. Okay, hey, we're nearly ready. Now, so that's for later. And let's see if it fits her first. I think it does. This. You have to press down kind of hard, right? So that the dress actually stays on. And there she is, dressed in her dress. I think now, let's see if I can keep her there. Okay, oh look at that bit. You know what I did? I could do better there. Better tag to fold it down. And there, and there. Right, and now, let's decorate that dress. Let's give it some nice red spots. Actually, I hadn't put it over the other side. There, that's why it wasn't going on right. Give her a little bit of a mouth. And maybe we'll make her hair a little bit brown. And there she is. You know what her name is, Kira?
No.
Her name is Louise. So now, I hope you send me your paper dolls for next week.